Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn old jeans into denim shorts. Are you ready? Alright, here you go. But first of all, do you like my look? Tell me, I'm wearing a bling, y'all. And please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. So here's the pair of jeans. I don't really like the bottom part. It's too distressed for my liking, so I'm gonna cut it out and turn them into shorts. Yup, actually they're from H&M. All you need is a pair of scissors, a felt pen marker, some tweezers, and a box cutter. I'm marking the point where I'm gonna cut it. I advise you to leave some room for mistakes. You just never know. And it's time to cut it up. I'm just gonna cut one leg and then I'll use it as reference for the other leg. And voila! One leg is down. I pretty much love the length. It's right under the butt cheek, and yeah, I'm now gonna work on the other one. What do you think of it? You're gonna wanna fold it so you get the exact measurement. Guys, I had to stop and mark it. I wasn't exactly following a straight line and I didn't want to make any mistakes. You can afford that. Now, you don't want your denim shorts looking like you just cut them, so we're gonna do some final touches with the scissors. I'm gonna cut them into some sort of angle so when you wear them, it gives you the curvy illusion, if that makes sense. You'll see. Get your tweezers because it's time to distress them. They are gonna look as good as old, but it's gonna take a long time, but it's worth it, I promise. I did most of the work off camera because it took a really long time, as I said before, but now I'm just gonna distress it a little bit more using my box cutter. I'm gonna give it a tiny mini cut and then I'll distress it using the tweezers. Last step, you're gonna get your box cutter and slightly scrub the distressed parts. This is gonna make your jeans look like they've been washed up, old and raggedy. It's gonna make them look so good, I promise. And I think I'm all done. I'm gonna try them up and see the final result. Ooh, mamma mia, I really love them. What do you think? Wow.